Here's how I like to make a super crispy and delicious fried fish right at home. Throw in some chips with these boys, then you got the perfect fish and chips right at home. And just listen to that crunch. Starting off with the batter, we'll be adding in 3/4 cups of flour, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of the spice mix, 1/2 tablespoon of salt, and my secret weapon for a delicious umami boost, 1/2 tablespoon of dried dashi. Give everything a mix. And you guys know it's coming. Carbonated water for that extra CO2 to make that batter nice and crispy. Add in roughly 250 milliliters until the batter is nice and runny like this. If you don't feel like using carbonated water, remember beer and baking soda work just as well. Preheat your oil to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. Another way to tell if it's ready is just to throw in a little bit of batter. And if it starts sizzling up like that, it's good to go. Take a fish and dunk it in the batter. Let the excess batter drip off. Now throw in the fish. And let it cook for 3-4 minutes on each side. Give it a flip. Set them on the drying rack or a set of paper towels. And here we have it, delicious and crispy fried fish. I personally love my fish with a bit of lime. Oh, that's satisfying.